Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the monitor to stay safe. Once unplugged, inspect the screen closely under good light to determine the line type. Look for single vertical or horizontal lines, flicker, or input-dependent artifacts to decide whether to continue. Make sure to have a clean microfiber cloth, compressed air, and basic tools ready. If the line appears only with certain inputs, note which one. This will guide whether you open the chassis or troubleshoot cables first. You now isolate the problem, connect the monitor to a second device and swap cables to rule out GPU or cable faults. If the line persists across devices, make sure to update drivers and firmware because software can expose or hide artifacts. For stuck pixels, run a color cycle or gentle pressure with a damp microfiber wrapped finger. Be cautious, too much force can harm the panel. Once done, if opening is needed, reseat ribbon cables from the controller board using ESD-safe practice. You finish by deciding repair versus replacement. If a reseated ribbon or controller board swap clears the line, reassemble carefully and monitor for recurrence. If the LCD panel itself is cracked or the line remains after board replacement, consider full panel replacement or a professional shop. Compare repair cost to replacement price. Make sure to document symptoms, serial and model for warranty claims. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: try a different known good power supply and repeat the isolation steps before assuming
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.